Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GoodNotes for work and meetings in 2026. Do you want to stay organized at work and during meetings? GoodNotes can help you manage everything easily. And here's how to do it effectively by following these few simple steps and listening to these instructions. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the GoodNotes application. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna download it from there. GoodNotes is both available on Android and iOS devices and also on your PC, so you can download it on your Windows or Mac. You can do that by visiting the website goodnotes.com and clicking on download. Now once you download and set up the application, you're gonna open the notebook, GoodNotes, and create a notebook for work. You can create notebooks by clicking on new. Now the free version only allows you to create 3 notebooks. So if you want more, you're gonna have to click on and purchase the premium version. Now as you can see here, once you click on new, you can choose between text, documents, whiteboard, folder, image, take photo, or import a file in your device. So you're gonna select your preferred method, and then you're gonna use separate sections for different meetings. For example, I'm gonna use this one right here. You're gonna use separate sections for different meetings or projects and write key points and decisions and actions item. For example, this is the Cornell template. You're gonna highlight important tasks and use AI tools to summarize your notes if needed. You can use the toolbar to access the tools here, as you can see here, and you can use the conversation with AI by clicking on the AI icon. As you can see, this is the conversation with the AI. And that's it. That's how you use help GoodNotes productively. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.